Hello everyone, welcome back to Ansarkari. So today we'll be discussing 2022 CSAT paper. The first half of the paper will be taken up. So in the passage, question number 1 asking that unsustainability in production pattern is due to which of the following? So I believe 1 and 2 are correct, third should be incorrect.
Option A.
Then question number 2, we have to again consider the following statement. On this basis, I believe all are correct.
Option B.
Okay, third is incorrect, encouraging them to change their production and consumption pattern. Okay, this is again a close one and might be confusing also. Passage number 2, we have question number 3. So, according to passage given above, deforestation and denudation will ultimately lead to which of the following? So, it should be 1 and 3.
Option C.
Now, question number 4. So we are given with this sequence, we have to get to the value of x. So in this, the pattern that is being followed is that 20 multiplied with some number will give us the next number, which is 10. So it is 0.5. Then next, 10 multiplied with another number will give us 10. So it will be 1. Then again 10 multiplied with what will give us 15, so you can see that 0.5 is increasing successively. So here for 75 and x, what should be multiplied with 75 so as to get the next value, which is x? So it would be following this pattern, 225.
Option D.
Question number 5. So this has to be solved. It is one of the lengthiest and little confusing also. So Divya, if you have the solution and you can explain, so you can go ahead.
नहीं solve नहीं हो रहा अभी.
Because divisibility है तो divisibility rule और वो सब apply करना पड़ेगा. Plus it's a big number, so it's time
नंबर
taking. So
निकल लेता है मेरा तो 12 इसमें से ज्यादा जा रखे हैं अगर सेकंड और थर्ड और फोर्थ क्योंकि उन्होंने मिड 3 का बोल रखा है ना तो ज्यादा हो जा रहा था पूरा सोल्व नहीं हुआ इसलिए फिर वो.
ठीक है. Question number 6. So again on this explanation which is there, you need to draw this diagram, and in the end it is asking what is the distance between x and y here. So for that it would be 40 meter plus 60, it would be 100 meters.
100. Option A.
Then question number 7. So which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? So since again the prelims 2022 was on 5th of June, so that was Sunday. So you can find out कि 5th June 2099 में क्या day होगा, and then accordingly because dates nearby हैं around 5 के, तो you can get to कि कौन सा day Sunday होना चाहिए. तो मैंने इस basis पे इसको calculate किया. So you can see there's a gap of 19 total 77 years. Out of that, 19 years would be the leap years, and then you calculate total number of days kitna hoga in all these years, and you divide by 7, because 7 weeks, because we have to in the end get the number of odd days. So number of odd days would be 5, and you can see that 5th June will turn out to be Friday, so 7th should be Sunday.
Option D.
Now, in question number 8, so there's a total bill of 1840 rupees, and that is to be paid in denominations of 50 rupees, 20, and 10 rupees. Total, we have to use 50 notes. So, 3 statements are given on the basis of ki what pattern can be there. So, we have to see ki isme se which one is correct, which is incorrect. I believe isme se all 3 are not correct. So, not correct पूछा है हमसे, तो all 3 are not correct.
Option D.
Okay, then question number 9. So again, we are given with these numbers. So we have to identify the smallest one. So smallest one के लिए आप इसको break कर सकते हो इन दो number को, so as to compare with this. तो simplest form इसका यही हो सकता है 2 to the power 36, and this would be 2 to the power 36. तो ये दोनों तो same हो गए, and this would be again bigger than 2 to the power 36, so we have to identify smallest one. 2 to the power 36 or 3 to the power 21, which one of them is the smallest one? So if you will calculate ki up till I think 2 to the power 12 and 3 to the power 7, so अब calculate करोगे तो you'll be able to identify कि 2 to the power 12 I think greater over 3 to the power 7 के. So this would be the smallest one.
Option B.
Now in 10, we are given with there are 1 to 9, there are digits, they are to be arranged in 3 rows. So these are 3 rows, we have to arrange them in such a manner that the digits which are there in the second row, they are twice of the number which is formed in the first row, and the number which is formed in third row has to be thrice of the number of the first row. So repetition of digits it shouldn't be there. And if only 3 of the 4 digits, that is 2, 3, 7, and 9, if they are to be used, only these are used in the first row. So how many such possible combinations are there? So you can just simply write the number first row में, and there's also a condition कि the number formed second row, ठीक है, first row में ऐसा कुछ नहीं mention है, बस ये numbers use होने चाहिए. So in this case आप जैसे ये नंबर है तो आप इसका डबल करके यहाँ पे देखोगे कि क्या लेटर आएंगे, डिजिट्स आएंगे. थ्राइस ऑफ दिस नंबर, so it would be 819. Now you need to ensure कि digits are not repetitive. So यहाँ पे कोई भी digit repeat नहीं हो रहा है. Similar यहाँ पे भी, तो I could make 2 such combinations, so I chose 2.
ऑप्शन सी.
बिकॉज 9 यूज कर रहे हैं तो या तो रिपीट हो रहे डिजिट्स सेकंड थर्ड रो में, और वो उसका ट्वाइस और थ्राइस, ये कंडीशन फिर फुलफिल नहीं हो पा रही है. नाउ इन पैसेज where we have to identify the message being reflected. So we assume that in democracy any politician is qualified to administer a state.
ऑप्शन सी.
C बोल रहा है we need to devise a method of barring incompetence from public office. ठीक है. Question number 12. So here, why is the methodology adopted in India to count the poor is debatable. So it is because it is based on the proposition of poverty as meager income or buying capacity.
ऑप्शन डी.
Question number 13. So again on the same passage, why is income poverty only one measure of counting the poor? Because it talks of only one kind of deprivation, ignoring all others.
ऑप्शन ए.
Again, then what does the author mean by poverty of a life? So all the deprivations in human life which stem not only from just the lack of income but lack of real opportunities.
ऑप्शन ए.
Question number 15. So there's a question that the two players X and Y, they're running 3 kilometer race along a circular course of length, or the circumference of this is 300 meters. So their speeds are in the ratio of 3:2. Now they're starting together in same direction. How many times they will cross each other? And you can see that they have to cover a total distance of 3 kilometer, which means 3000 meters, and one round is of 300 meters. So total they will have to complete 10 rounds in order to complete 3 kilometers, and we are given with the ratio of speed. So you can say that on the basis of this ratio, that the fastest player will be crossing the slowest player every third round. So every third round they'll be meeting or crossing each other once. Total rounds are 10 rounds only. So you can see they'll meet after third round, they'll meet after sixth round, and then after ninth round. So you just have to add 3. We can't cross 10, so it will be 3 times.
ऑप्शन बी.
In 16, we are given that first you write this is the normal sequence of the alphabets, and then you have to write them in reverse. So here this C would be representing X. So how can we write Lucknow? So you just have to see that L will represent O. You can just write it down. So D option.
ऑप्शन डी.
Then we have 17. So there's a tournament of chess having 150 entrants. So their player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. So it is given that no match results in tie or draw. How many matches are played in the entire tournament? So 150 entrants है, तो I think 149 matches होनी चाहिए, because last में one player would be emerging as the winner. So I think 149 होना चाहिए.
ऑप्शन सी.
In 18th, how many 3-digit natural numbers without repetition they are there such that each digit is odd and the number is divisible by 7. So sorry, by 5. So the thing is each digit has to be odd. So total number of odd digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And it has to be divisible by 5 also. So this position or this number becomes fixed, which is 5. for 5, divisibility with 5, you need either 0 or 5 in there. Now 0 is not a part of odd number, so we are left with only 5. Now we are left with total 4 numbers which are to be used in this place and this place. So you can write it down that here we have a possibility of using 4 digits, and here we are left because 1 would be used here, so we'll be left with 3 digits. So multiply 4 into 3 into 1, we'll get 12.
Option B.
19, again a question and statement. So x is an integer. Statement 1 बोल रहा है x by 3 is not an integer and 3x is an integer. तो आप एक ऐसा x assume करो जहाँ पे मतलब दोनों चीजें फुलफिल हो रही हैं. तो x एक इंटीजर लेके आप सॉल्व करो और एक नॉन इंटीजर, तो दोनों तरीके से आप सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो. तो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द आंसर कि x इंटीजर ही है फॉर श्योर. So that is why D should be the right answer.
Option D.
In question number 20, so the increase in price of certain item, पहले 25% increase or if it decrease by 20%, so you can just assume any number. So for simplicity, we assume 100. So 100 में increase of 25% will give us 125 number. 125 में there is a decrease of 20%. So it's 10% will be 12.5 and then 20% से reduce करना है, so we'll get 100 now, and now this is again increased by 10%, so it will be 110. So ultimate, what is the change happening from 100 to 110? Increase of 10%.
Option B.
Now in 21, question number. So following assumptions we have to identify. I think both are incorrect.
Option D.
In 22, again identify the assumptions, so only one should be valid here.
Option A.
Okay, then again assumptions, so here also only one.
Option A.
In 24th question number, so we are given that there are letters A, B, C, D, and E. They are arranged in such a way that there are exactly 2 letters between A and E. So what are the possible number of arrangements given? There are only 2 letters between A and E. So you can see A and E, and then we are left with B, C, D. So 3 letters are more left. So we can say that this position become fixed. Now using this, how many numbers can be used? So there are 3 alphabets can be used here, 2 alphabets. Now we're left with only 1. So 6 we can say combinations can be formed given A and E's position is fixed at this place. You can reverse them again, then we'll get 6 possible combinations. So just change the position of A and E and then you can reverse here in this case. So total it should be 24.
Option C.
In 25th, again a question in the statement. So is Z brother of X or not is the question. So statement says ki X is brother of Y and Y is brother of Z. So here we are not able to make out that whether Z is male or female. So that is why we can't say that Z is brother of X. Z can be sister of X also. So that possibility also exists. And second statement says that all 3 are siblings also. So I think D hona chahiye.
Option D.
Now 26th, on one side of a 1.01 kilometer long road, 101 plants have to be planted at equal distance from each other. So what is the total distance between 5 consecutive plants? So first you convert this kilometer into meters, because you can see all the options are given to us in meters. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters, and then we are left with only this 0.01 kilometers. So it would be 10 meters. So total we get 1010 meters in total. Now we have to calculate distance between 5 consecutive plants. So if you see like first plant would be here, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So you need to calculate this for 4 such equal, we can say distance or these sections. So that is why we multiply this gap between each plant with 4 and we'll get 40.4 meters.
Option B.
In 27, we are given that there are 3 possible routes from A to B, there are 4 possible routes from B to C, and again 3 possible routes from A to C. So to get how many different ways can one travel from A to C. So one you can just travel directly. That is here we have 3 possible routes. So there are 3 number of possible ways of traveling. Then it would be from A to B and then B to C. So here you can see that from A to B there are 3 possible routes and from B to C there are 4. So one you can say, then here 4 possible, so 4. Now you can use this root and then again you have 4, so that is why I'm adding 4 3 times, because 3 times you can get new roots. So 12 plus 3 will give us 15.
Option C.
Okay, in 28, so A has some coins. We assume that the number of coins are X. He gives half of the coins and 2 more to person B. So B has these number of coins now. Similar is the pattern. Now B give half of this. So that is why we have divided this with half in case of calculating the number of coins with C, and plus 2 more. And then up till D we are given with this sequence. Now it is also stated that the number of coins which D has now is the smallest 2-digit number. So smallest 2-digit number is 10. So this equation equals to 10, and we can get the value of X. Actually, this is what we have to calculate, number of coins with A. So it should be 60.
Option D.
D 52 guess हो सकता है. How
52.
many coins does A have in the beginning? तो
हाँ
60 आ रहा है ना, because X की वैल्यू यहाँ डायरेक्टली 60 आ रही है.
नहीं 52 ही होगी ऑप्शन, अगर आप जैसे।
मैंने कैलकुलेशन कुछ गलत किया है क्या?
हाँ ये
नहीं.
हो सकता है, नहीं मैंने तो उससे किया था,
ए,
इन्होंने बोला कि जो डी है वो स्मॉलेस्ट 2-डिजिट नंबर है, तो मैंने उल्टा लेकर चला है। तो अगर हम डी को 10 मानते हैं तो इन्होंने कहा है सी के हाफ में +2 है, तो मतलब 10 माइनस
अच्छा,
2 करेंगे 8, 8 का डबल हो जाएगा 16, तो 16 फिर -2 करेंगे, फिर वो बी का हो जाएगा, फिर इस तरह से करते चलेंगे तो 52 ही आती है।
अच्छा, 1 मिनट मैं इसको कैलकुलेट करती हूँ ऐसे ही. अच्छा, मैंने यहाँ पे गड़बड़ करी है आई थिंक. इस पूरे का यहाँ पे मैंने हाफ ले लिया, बट नेक्स्ट में मैंने जो गड़बड़ करी, मैंने ये 2 नहीं लिया यहाँ पे. ये भी तो 2 होगा, प्लस 2, और फिर ये 2 अलग से है. हाँ, मैंने ये मिस्टेक करी है इसमें. ठीक है, तो फिर 52 आएगा. Now यहाँ पे पैटर्न है, सीक्वेंस है, सीरीज. This is the given pattern and which letter appears at 100th place. So पहले तो पैटर्न आइडेंटिफाई करो. तो we have A, then we have AB, then ABC, then ABCD. तो एक एक किन से अल्फाबेट इंक्रीज हो रहा है सक्सेसिवली. तो यहाँ किन आप 5 का एक बंच है, देन 6 का बंच बनेगा, 7 8 9 10 ऐसे ऐसे नंबर्स का बंच बन जाएगा, एक ग्रुप बन जाएगा अल्फाबेट्स का. तो कैन सी की 6 से लेके 13 प्लस करोगे तो वी विल गेट 91. हमें कैलकुलेट करना है 100 प्लेस तक. तो 13 तक आप देखो कौन सा लेटर तक सीक्वेंस बन रहा है, या फिर हमें वो कैलकुलेट करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कि कौन से लेटर तक वी हैव रीच्ड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द 13th bunch. So now we are left with 9 positions because we have to reach 100. So we'll start with A, B, C, D, and 9th position तक आप देख लो कि will end at I. तो I होगा at 100th place.
ऑप्शन सी.
Okay, in 30, so 3 persons ABC, they are standing in queue, not necessarily in the same order. The 4 persons between AB, so we have written it down. 4 persons between AB, 7 persons between B and C, so B and C के बीच में 7 है. अगर आप इसको देखोगे कि why I'm writing like C below A and B and C, ऐसे भी तो हो सकता था. So वो अगर आप sequence like लिख के देखते हो, but वो condition यहाँ fulfill नहीं हो पाएंगी सारी. So that is why then I changed the order in the sequence. So that is why C will be below A. तो दो conditions हमने लिख दी. Now it is also stating कि if there are 11 persons ahead of C, so वो हमने mention कर दिया, 11 persons ahead of C है and 13 behind A. तो A के behind में this should be 13. So we have to calculate what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue. अब यहाँ ऑप्शन में भी आप देखोगे मिनिमम नंबर 22 हमें दे रखा है, और इनका आप पूरे का टोटल करोगे तो विल आल्सो गेटिंग 22. तो ए होना चाहिए
22, ऑप्शन ए.
in 31 passage. So here I think 134 करेक्ट होना चाहिए.
ऑप्शन सी.
Then 32. Why Darwinian theory of evolution is not a theory at all, because extinction is a function of environment and biological assaults.
ऑप्शन बी.
Okay, then. So assumptions में only one correct होना चाहिए.
ऑप्शन ए.
Passage number 2, यहाँ question number 34 में, तो we need to identify the crux of the passage. तो option B होना चाहिए.
ऑप्शन डी.
D बोल रहा है. Water management practices in India need to change dramatically in the coming years. ठीक है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा ये इस वर्ड की वजह से मैंने चूज नहीं किया, dramatically थोड़ा सा एक्सट्रीम काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन था. So ठीक है. 35 में we are given, it is being asked how many seconds in total are there if there are x weeks, x days, x hours, x minutes and x seconds. So ये you can say कि एक तरीके से deconstruct हो रहा है. So x weeks से अगर हम start करते हैं, अब आपको इसको फिर से डिकंस्ट्रक्ट ही करना है इनटू सेकंड्स तक, जितना माइन्यूटली आप पहुंचोगे. तो एक वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं. 7 तो 1 डे में 24 आवर्स होते हैं. 1 आवर में 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. 1 मिनट में 60 सेकंड्स होते हैं. तो ये पूरा एक, जितने भी वीक्स होंगे यहाँ पे एक्स वीक है तो टोटल सेकंड जितना आएगा. अब अगर सपोज करो 3 वीक्स हो गए तो यहाँ हम सिंपली उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. बट क्वेश्चन में तो कैन सी के आंसर में भी एक्स है तो विल be limited till x only. Then x days है तो x days 1 डे में 24 आवर्स. तो सिमिलरली ये वाला पैटर्न आ गया. x आवर्स अब नेक्स्ट है तो x आवर यू कैन से 1 आवर में 60 मिनट्स, 1 मिनट में 60 सेकंड्स. x मिनट्स तो विल बी लेफ्ट विद 60 सेकंड्स एंड एंड में x सेकंड्स है. सो ये पूरा आप टोटल कर लो कितने सेकंड्स आएंगे और फिर x तो होगा ही. तो टोटल करके वी गेटिंग दिस नंबर.
ऑप्शन डी.
डी कैसे आ रहा है?
1
61.
सेकंड का x सेकंड है शायद, वो भी काउंट होगा इसमें.
तो इन्होंने 1 कैसे लिया? 1 सेकंड
1
x.
कैसे होगा?
इसका टोटल तो, इतने का टोटल तो ये नंबर आ रहा है प्लस x बचा है. तो ये 1 कैसे आ रहा है? नहीं फिर भी x सेकंड का 1 कैसे हो गया?
मिनट में भी 60 सेकंड होते हैं तो 1 ही क्यों लेंगे?
हाँ वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ, x सेकंड है ना, क्योंकि ये तो x है, यहाँ कोई नंबर नहीं है. तो अगर
हम्म,
कोई नंबर होता जैसे 1 सेकंड होता तो ये 61 हो जाता, क्योंकि हम 60 तक पहुंच चुके हैं.
हम्म।
चलो we'll see to it. 36 में P Q R S T and U, the 6 members of a family. So ये family relation वाले you just have to write. मैंने थोड़ा simplified form में लिख दिया. कौन सा इनसे से options valid fit हो रहा है? तो option D right होना चाहिए.
ऑप्शन डी.
Then 37. So यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन और स्टेटमेंट है. सो पहला क्वेश्चन बोला Q और R के बीच में इतना डिस्टेंस है और R और P में इतना है. तो P और Q में डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए क्या हमें दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स चाहिएंगे? तो हाँ हमें दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स चाहिएंगे टू आंसर दिस.
ऑप्शन डी गिवन है.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? बी?
डी डी. नॉट
D,
सफिशिएंट.
both the statements are not sufficient to answer the question. So we can answer this. आंसर कर तो सकते हैं. सिटी Q is 18 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम R. ठीक है, ये हमने लिख दिया. सिटी P is 43 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम सिटी R. P और R में हो गया 43. मे बी फिर इस बेसिस पे बोल रहे हैं कि नॉट नेसेसरली कि यही रूट फॉलो होगा, कोई और रूट भी हो सकता है बिटवीन P एंड Q. तो बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द रिलेशन बिटवीन P एंड Q एंड उनकी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन क्या है. सो इसलिए ठीक है, नॉट सफिशिएंट टू आंसर. In 38, two statements and the conclusions. So to identify कौन से conclusions correct है. So ये statement all pens are books. No chair is a pen. So इस basis पे I think कोई भी conclusion valid नहीं है.
ऑप्शन डी.
Same pattern पे question है, statements है, conclusions है. So I think both conclusion 1 and 3 correct होना चाहिए.
ऑप्शन सी.
ठीक है. So last question for the day. The arrangement वाला है, there's a round table and we have to arrange these individuals. So conditions दे रखी हैं and on this basis I think C sits opposite to G because C और G आप देख सकते हो opposite है.
ऑप्शन बी.
B बोल रहे हैं ना, second option.
डी डी नन ऑफ द अबव.
None of the above कैसे? तो conditions तो सारी valid इसमें fit हो रही हैं. B and D sit neither adjacent to C nor opposite to C. तो C के opposite में ना तो B है ना D है और ना ही, हाँ दोनों adjacent है C के. A sits in between E and D. A is between E and D, ठीक है. F sits in between B and H. तो B and H के बीच में F is there. फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? जी ई बचा, ये लास्ट ये बचेगा तो जी आना चाहिए यहाँ पे, ई हो नहीं सकता। सी ऑपोजिट टू जी होना चाहिए, सी के ऑपोजिट फिर और कौन आएगा? डी भी हो सकता है क्या? डी, अगर हम यहाँ लिखते हैं डी और here we have ई, तो ए यहाँ हो गया, तो मे बी जी यहाँ पे हो
ये
सकता है।
नहीं आएगा
अच्छा,
मेरा। ऑप्शन सी हुआ था, ऑप्शन सी भी गलत शो कर रहा है क्योंकि वो अपोजिट नहीं आएगा, वो या तो बराबर में आ सकता है अगर
हाँ ये
दो।
भी गलत हो गया। ई सिट्स ऑपोजिट टू एफ, यहाँ
हाँ,
मेरे में तो बी आ रहा है। अगर यहाँ पे भी अगर हम इसको एक थोड़ा सा नीचे शिफ्ट करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे डी लिख दिया, यहाँ जी हो गया, here we have
ए,
a,
बी और सी
here
सीधे
we have e,
लाइन।
so in this case e sits opposite to f। हाँ इसमें तो e ऑपोजिट टू f आएगा फिर, पर ये तो बोल रहे हैं डी एन में से कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता। ठीक है चलो, अब इसमें देखते हैं, सोल्यूशन देखेंगे, एक इसमें देखना है और एक और क्वेश्चन में देखते हैं। और कोई डाउट है दिव्या?
नहीं बाजी।
ठीक है चलो, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन इंसरकारी, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल टेक अप नेक्स्ट 40 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम 2022 पेपर।